Hello everyone, welcome back to Infeg. Did you know that OpenEMR is one of the most popular open-source electronic health record systems, and installing it on Windows can be a breeze if you follow the right steps? Whether you're a healthcare provider looking for a robust system or just curious about managing medical records more efficiently, you've come to the right place. In this video, we are going to show you a super quick and easy guide to install OpenEMR on your Windows PC. No headaches, no confusion, just a smooth install. First we need to download the necessary files. Go to XAMPP official website, link is given in the description. Select and download the right XAMPP version for your system. Make sure you choose XAMPP which has PHP version 8.1 or higher. Next install the downloaded XAMPP in your system. Follow the steps in the wizard and finish the installation. Click install and wait for the process to complete. Now we have to start Apache and MySQL to check whether it's working. To test XAMPP installation, in the browser type localhost and check whether XAMPP dashboard works. Awesome! With XAMPP running, let's move on to download and install OpenEMR. Next head over to the official OpenEMR website, link in the description. Click on download. Choose the Windows version and download the installer package. Extract the OpenEMR zip file you downloaded. Move the extracted folder to the docs directory inside your XAMPP folder, usually found in c/xampp/docs. Now we need to put correct PHP settings recommended. That can be found in OpenEMR site itself. The link is given in the description. Need to copy those settings and go to the XAMPP control panel. In the Apache, click config and select PHP ini. In that file, move to the end of the file and paste the configurations and save the file. Once configurations are updated, we need to stop and restart the Apache. Come back to c/xampp/docs folder and rename the OpenEMR folder to something easy to remember, like OpenEMR. Open your browser and go to http://localhost/OpenEMR. Now, this is where it all comes together. Time for OpenEMR installation. In the installation screen, just click Proceed to Step 1. Step 1 is to select DB. If this is fresh installation, select first option and click Proceed to Step 2. In Step 2, DB and initial user setup screen, give some password for DB login name OpenEMR and root password you can leave blank. Also provide initial user login name and initial user password. This user will be first user and will be an admin user, with which we want to set up the OpenEMR. Click Create DB and user button. This step will take some time to create database and user setups. Once it's done, just proceed other step. For the theme, you can select Keep Current and you can change it later also. Once the setup is complete, note the OpenEMR login credentials provided at the end. Then, OpenEMR is now installed. Let's log in and take a quick look. Use the login credentials from the setup process to sign in. And that's it. You've successfully installed OpenEMR on your Windows PC. Pretty easy, right? If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want more tech tips like this, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Got questions or issues with your setup? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.